In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a database in Notion. Locking a database is really useful when you finish setting up a structure and you don't want others, or even yourself, to accidentally change properties, views, or layout. You'll still be able to add and edit content, but the overall configuration stays protected. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open the Notion page where you want your database to live. At the top left of the page workspace, look for the Create area where you normally add new content. Click on Create to start adding a new block. This is where we'll set up the database that we're going to lock. Once your cursor is active in a new block, type / and then the word database. So you'll type weiter database in the empty block. Notion uses these / commands to quickly bring up different types of content, and this is the fastest way to access all the database options without hunting through menus. After typing database, you'll see a list of database types appear. From that list, choose Database Inline. Go ahead and click on Database Inline. This will insert a small table-style database directly into your page, instead of taking over the entire page. Inline databases are great when you want to include other notes or content above and below the table. You'll now see a fresh database with some default columns and a few empty rows. Before locking it, you may want to quickly adjust columns, rename properties, or add any views you need, because once it's locked, you won't be able to change the structure without unlocking it again. Next, move your mouse to the top right corner of the database. You should see a toolbar specific to that database. Look for the settings or 3-dot icon, which usually appears as 3 horizontal dots. Click on this settings icon to open the database options menu. This menu controls things like layout, views, properties, and importantly for us, lock settings. In the drop-down menu that appears, find the option labeled Lock Database and click on it. Once you do this, Notion will lock the database's structure. You'll still be able to add new rows, edit entries, and work with your data, but you won't be able to accidentally change properties or views unless you unlock it again from the same menu. And that's all you need to do to lock a database in Notion.